My name is Richard Perko. I am the president and CEO of Lee Company. But I didn't start off here at Lee Company as the CEO. As I looked to finish high school, I wasn't really sure what I wanted to do next. I had spent summers in high school working in the trades and in manufacturing plants to make some money, but I really didn't know what I wanted to do as a career. What I did know was I didn't want to work in a manufacturing plant every day, making the same things over and over. I liked the variety of the trades work I had done, the ability to work my hands and my brain and learn and build something new every day. And the trades offered me all of that and more. I'll save you the long story, but after high school I went on to work in the trades as an HVAC technician. I did go on to earn my mechanical engineering degree, but my work in the trades was what enticed me to learn more about mechanical systems and become an engineer, and it also paid for my college. I began work at Lee Company as a green project engineer right out of college. But my practical experience working in the trades allowed me to advance quickly. I've now been at Lee Company for almost 28 years, and I still love the variety and opportunity to learn something new every day. So whether you choose to be in the trades as a lifelong career path, or as a stepping stone to another career such as sales, engineering, or management within our industry, choosing to be a skilled tradesperson is a rewarding and meaningful career that can take you as far as you choose to go in life. Here at Lee Company, we have many people who have chosen both paths. Some have chosen to be the best of the best in their trade as a lifelong career, while others have used their trade knowledge and experience to step into other career paths over time. That's another great thing about the trades. While every day you may be building projects or maintaining buildings, you are also building valuable skills and experience that will allow you to create the right career path for you. And the future is brighter than ever for the skilled trades. There is no better time than now to begin exploring the skilled trades as a career option. For every 5 people retiring from a trade, there are only 2 entering. This has created high demand for people in the trades. You may have heard that today the skilled trades path can provide a better income than many college-based careers, and that's true. You've probably heard the term supply and demand. What our society has learned the hard way is that college isn't the one-size-fits-all approach that was once touted as the only option to have a great career. Some people thrive in a hands-on atmosphere where they can be challenged and learning in a different and meaningful way. Whether the electrical field sparks an interest or becoming an HVAC technician brings you comfort, we can provide you a path and the skills necessary to be successful. You know, the services we provide will always be in demand. You will always have a job and a purpose if you're a skilled tradesperson. There's not a home or a building of any type that doesn't need the services we provide, and we work on all of them. So whether you find yourself in our residential group and enjoy working with people to improve their homes, or in one of our commercial groups, building and maintaining high-rises, hospitals, industrial plants, or even the largest sports venues in our region, like Bridgestone Arena or Nissan Stadium, you will find great purpose knowing you had a hand in keeping our communities thriving. So I hope you will consider a career in the trades, like me. I think you may be surprised how far I can take you, maybe even CEO.